Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this Dexter Laboratories inspired look on Dress to Impress. You do need VIP for the coat, but if you want to, you can kind of replace it with something else if you don't have it. It's actually a pretty simple outfit. Here, I'll show you guys. I just used this hair in the back toggle, no flowers. I just colored it this orange color, CD6620. Then I'm just going to get these boots in the knee length, and I'm also going to get the gloves. Doesn't really matter what length they're gonna be because it's gonna be covered. Toggle off the fur and color it this purple 6B4BD9 in silk. Grab this outfit and color it white, and the buttons in black. Then I'm just going to use these glasses here, and I'm just going to color the glass like this color. I'm going to rotate it, and I'm just going to scale it down a little bit as well, and I'm just going to position it a little bit more forwards. Then I'm going to grab this, and I'm just going to color it like this green color, and then that green again in neon and in white. Unfortunately, I cannot change the material for the cup for some reasons, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.